Are you wondering if emotional support animals are allowed in condos? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to be tackling that question head on. So if you are a tenant looking to rent a condo in a building with strict pet policies, or you're a potential condo buyer concerned about your furry companion, I have all the answers that you need. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joe. I'm a real estate advisor with Compass, and I get asked this question so much, so I thought I'd make a video. And before we jump into the specifics, let's begin by understanding what an emotional support animal or an ESA is. An ESA is not just your ordinary pet, it's a special companion animal that provides vital emotional support to individuals with mental disabilities. These animals play a significant role in their owner's well-being and don't require any formal training. Now, while dogs and cats are the most common choice for ESA, technically any animal can be designated as one. The key requirement to recognize an animal as an ESA is you have to have a letter from a licensed mental health professional or a physician that is going to confirm the need for a support animal. Now, it's crucial to understand that an ESA is different from a service dog. Service dogs are specifically trained to assist individuals with physical disabilities, whereas ESAs provide comfort and companionship to individuals with mental health conditions. Although both categories are going to offer you similar benefits, they are subject to different set of rules and regulations. Service animals are protected under the American Disabilities Act, ADA, whereas ESAs fall under the protection of the Fair Housing Act. So how can you obtain an ESA letter? Well, the first step is to consult with a licensed healthcare professional who can assess your condition and determine if having an ESA would be beneficial for you. If they believe that an ESA can contribute to managing your mental health condition, they will provide you with an emotional support animal letter. This letter is a crucial document in the process of acquiring an ESA, and it will probably be reviewed by the landlord or the condo to ensure its authenticity. Now, let's address the burning question on your mind. Are ESAs allowed in Florida condos, especially condos that have strict pet policies? And the answer is, it depends. Even if a condo or apartment building has a no pets policy, the housing provider may still be obligated to accommodate your ESA unless the animal poses a safety or a health risk to others. It's really essential to understand that housing providers cannot discriminate against individuals who require ESAs. However, it's equally important to be aware of your rights and the limitation housing providers have when it does come to an ESA. For example, I have worked with clients who have gotten physician letters from online websites, and they have worked in some buildings. And I have also worked with the same clients who got the same exact letter from that online site from a licensed physician. And when they went and submitted it to that building, the building actually rejected it, and they said, we know that this physician issues a lot of letters, so unfortunately we are declining this letter, but if you give us another physician letter, we will be open to reviewing it. So you never really know how these buildings are going to react. Some will accept the first letter that you give them. Others are going to go through your letter, research the physician, and if that physician has a record of issuing multiple letters to the same building, they might second guess your letter. Navigating the legal landscape can be quite challenging, and this is where having a knowledgeable realtor can make a significant difference. A good realtor should be well-versed in Florida law and the Fair Housing Act. These are things that they were licensed on. They can act as your advocate, helping you navigate the complexities of finding a condo that accommodates your ESA. However, it is important to note that while your realtor can advocate for you, they cannot provide legal representation or advice. In more complex situations, you might need the assistance of a real estate lawyer, and your realtor can help you connect to one. Getting legal support can demystify your rights and guide you through the process of obtaining an ESA approval for you and your accommodation. To wrap things up, we've covered some vital information about emotional support animals in the context of condo living. If you're a tenant looking to rent in a condo building with pet restrictions, or a potential buyer considering a condo in a no pet building, understanding the laws and regulations surrounding ESA is crucial. I hope that this video has helped provide some clarity on the topic, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to the channel for more real estate advice. I have a wealth of content on the channel, and my goal is to help you navigate the Florida real estate landscape. If you have any other questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can reach out to me directly. My contact information is in the show description. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.